Hello everyone, and welcome to another CTM and Cena video. I'm Technician Tiago, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble our drum kit for the Infinity Concrete Mixer. So come with me. Our kit is made up of the spider, the ring gear, bass, and drum. We start by attaching the structure, better known as the spider, which will serve as the support for our drum. With the spider in hand, let's position it on the tilting shaft. With the bolt in hand, let's position it on the tilting shaft. Tighten the central shaft using a 33mm wrench until you reach 600 Nm. Next, we'll assemble the ring gear segments around the structure. Using tall bolts and lock nuts, along with 2 washers, we'll secure the ring gear to the structure. Using the pinion as support during installation. Remember, it's essential to properly adjust the distance between our ring gear and the tooth of our pinion. It should be 5mm. This adjustment ensures perfect meshing and prevents premature wear of the parts. We'll continue in this manner successively. With the ring gear already installed, now let's attach our drum to the spider's structure. With the drill in hand, let's make our first hole using a 9.5mm drill bit. Remember that the first hole should be secured with a carriage bolt, which will serve as a guide to keep the drum properly positioned. After securing the first point, drill the hole on the opposite side, always making sure the drum remains centered. From there, make the remaining holes in an alternating fashion, that is, on each side until all the fasteners are in place. This process prevents misalignment and ensures that the drum is balanced on the structure. Now that the drum is secured and the bolts are in place, it's time to install the internal paddles. Remember, the installation direction should be counterclockwise. With the paddle in hand, attach it to the same bolt that secures the drum, using the rubber washer. A larger washer. Carefully position the paddle, and then place the 3/8 washer. And the self-walking nut. And in the same way, we'll follow this process to install the other 2 paddles. Now, to properly create the second hole, let's carefully align the second hole of the paddle with the bolt that is used to secure the drum. With the hole already made, we'll use a bolt in 2 flat washers, 3/8 inch to fasten our paddle to the drum. With that, we finished installing the paddles, and to wrap up, let's assemble the rock guard. And that's how we wrap up another CTM Teaches video on assembling our Infinity drum kit. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. See you next time.